బెల్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. మీకు మంచిగా నోటిఫికేషన్స్ వస్తాయి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ కమెంట్ కూడా చేయండి.
Hi India Glitz viewers, I'm Sadhika Sharma.
What is your opinion about skin show?
You have to or something for an actor, it's important. It's part of your job. So yes, it's important too.
Do you want to be called a hot girl?
Yeah, you should be talented. It's not about the way you look, it's about your talent. See Vidya Balan, many actors are there. It's not the way of looking. If you're like talented, it's a way to go. I think talent is most important.
Do you agree with the view that girls are exploited in the industry?
Casting couch, people talk about casting couch. It's
Who is the most popular Telugu actor in Punjab?
like everybody is so crazy. I have seen girls like 12 years, 13 years getting mad for.
If given a chance, will you do special songs?
Like already on the top league. So people don't call it like it's a special song or something. Then it's like, oh, this actress did that.
What is the reason why many Punjabi girls are drawn towards acting?
No reason, maybe like culture brought up or something. We are like open-minded people, bindas kind of characters. Oh my god. Hi India Glitz viewers, I'm Sadhika Sharma.
So, what were you doing all these years after Paisa?
Good, I was just doing my graduation, then I'm back and now I'm signed with PC.
So, how was it doing Paisa?
It was a good experience. It was like I just did it random, no auditions, nothing. I just came and I signed and I did the movie. It was a good experience.
It was directed by Krishna Vamsi. It must have been great, right?
See, it was a very nice experience because he's such a big director. And you know, it was like nothing, no course training in acting or such. I just did it and I loved working with him. So yes.
Did you do the film by chance?
See, it was passion because I'm passionate since childhood about acting and all. So I did it. That's it.
Have you been into modeling?
I'm not in touch with films. I'm only into modeling. But now I started from last 2 years. I was with the theatre. And I did a course with Mukesh Chabra. And now I'm full-time into acting.
Is the theatre group based abroad?
No, in India only, in Bombay, Mukesh Chabra casting company. So I'm like, I did theatres and all with them.
Tell us more about that.
It was like an acting ka course for 9 months. Then I did that. Then I did 2-3 theatres in Bombay. Just to groom myself in acting, that's it.
How different is learning acting in a theatre group from learning it in an acting school?
It's very different. If you are a theatre artist, you are like perfect. You are being sorted. Like if people say laugh, if people say just like be sad, you can just carry variations in acting. So I think theatre is very much for actors. Now I'm really happy that I'm a theatre artist. So now I can perform really well.
From learning it in an acting school, how important is an experience in theatre?
It's very important. I think for an actor, it's not just the looks. It's like the way you talk, the way you react, and you should be very camera friendly. And that comes when you are a theatre actor.
How is it being going with Puri Connects?
Puri Connects, I got in touch like from last 2 months. And I'm really happy to sign this because for an actor, it's very important that you should have a good base and good touch to start with movies. And I was only into modeling and now I'm with Charmi ma'am and Puri Jagannath sir at Puri Connects. So I'm like really happy about it.
How has your association with Charmi been?
She's like really sweet. She like guides everybody. And she's like very sweet. Being an actor and such a big actress in the industry and being so down to earth and so workaholic. So I'm like really glad to be with them.
Do you watch Telugu movies?
I do watch. I just browse YouTube and all. So I just see the songs, and that's all. I don't see pura movies, but yes, now I will start with that.
Which all heroes are you aware of?
See heroes like Chiranjeevi, Nagarjuna, Sandeep Kishan, Nani. So many actors. I just follow YouTube and just go through all the songs and all.
Have you signed up to do any film?
I just took a break for my education, so now I'm back.
Do you want to be a full-time actress from now?
I am only into acting because I'm like really passionate about it. I'm modeling from last 3.5 years, but now I'm only like focused into acting. And now I groomed myself so much, so yes, I want to pursue it like full time.
In terms of popularity, which one of the two you would prefer?
Fame is very important for an actor. For anybody, I think any profession, fame is very important for everybody. I'm not money minded. I just look for fame. That's it, and that too in a good way.
What is your opinion about skin show?
See, I don't think so. Ki skin show is something like ki you have to or something. For an actor, it's important. It's part of your job. So yes, it's important too.
Do you want to be called a hot girl?
I don't like the word hot. I just want to be recognized by a very simple kind of girl. That's it. Girl next door.
Which all actresses do you look up to?
Rakulpreet Singh, Alia Bhatt in Bollywood, Shraddha Kapoor. Because it's like about her graph, what she was and now what she is. So, Alia Bhatt also, she's a mind-blowing actress. Alia, Shraddha.
How has your association with Puri Connects been?
See, I just started. I just signed with Puri Connect, so it's just been 2 months. So now I will just listen to the scripts and all. So let's see how the thing goes.
Do you think it's more professional this way?
It's very professional. I think if you go through a direct channel, right channel, and you get pitched by a good thing, so it's very important for actors and models. Even agencies, they work for actors. You should go through a direct channel. That's very important.
Do you agree with the view that girls are exploited in the industry?
I don't think so. See, it depends on person to person. Nothing is exploitation, like what I feel. It's just being you and how you treat people. They treat you in the same way. So I don't think so. People say exploitation or something, nothing is there. Casting couch, people talk about casting couch. It's nothing like that. It depends how you are with people, they are with you. So it's like that.
Are you from Punjab?
Yes.
What is the reason why many Punjabi girls are drawn towards acting?
I'm not saying only Punjabi. See, everybody is talented. So yeah, Punjabis are like more talented. It's like that. No reason, maybe like culture, brought up or something. We are like open-minded people and bindas kind of characters. So maybe that.
Are your parents supportive of your dreams?
My parents are really supportive about this. Even my entire family is like supportive. They are like, do what you want. But they just want I wanted to completed my graduation and all. So I took a gap. So my parents, they are like, okay, now you do whatever you want because it's like you're done with your studies. Everybody gets. It depends. It depends how you convey your parents. If you are good, so if your parents trust, I think parents trust is the most important thing. And my parents trust me, so yes.
Looks or talent, what matters more?
Yeah, you should be talented. It's not about the way you look, it's about your talent. See, Vidya Balan, many actors are there. It's not the way of looking. If you're like talented, it's a way to go. I think talent is most important, especially the acting skills. Dance and all, your body looks, it's just temporary things. So talent is the main thing.
Who is the most popular Telugu actor in Punjab?
Male Allu Arjun is like, everybody is so crazy. I have seen girls like 12 years, 13 years getting mad for Allu Arjun. Junior NTR. In Punjab, everywhere, all over India, people are like mad for South Indian actors.
What explains their popularity?
No, see, they are like, the way they carry themselves. It's about their style and all. Even I like Allu Arjun, so it's like that. Maybe style factor, the way they dance, it's like super. Nobody can dance like that.
Who is the most charming Telugu actor in your opinion?
Charming, it's Mahesh Babu.
What do you do to keep yourself physically fit?
I do yoga, I do martial arts, I do kickboxing, swimming, gymming. So even if I'm unwell, I'm like, I have to do yoga. So it's like that.
What is the minimum time for which one must do yoga?
I think beauty. It's about your diet. You should have lots and lots of water. You should gym properly. You should sleep on time, wake up on time. Yoga is like really important. Yoga gives you a very good, inner glow and outer glow as well. I do yoga every day, 75 minutes. I do power yoga, ashtanga and hot yoga. So it's like 2 days power, 2 days ashtanga. It's like that.
Who was your first crush?
My first crush. Who was my first crush? I mean, I don't remember so many crushes, so I don't remember who was my first crush. So it's like that.
Why so many?
So many. Because I was like a flirty kind of a girl when I was in school.
Have you changed now?
I don't flirt now. People flirt with me now, so it's like that. I have changed a lot. Earlier I was like, but still I'm like that. My character is the same, naughty and funny kind of. But now I'm like more professional, punctual. Earlier I was not punctual. Now I'm like really punctual. So I know the time value.
Were you always good at flirting with guys?
Nothing like that. I thought so. Okay, now I look good, so I should not flirt. Let them flirt with me. So it's like that.
Could you share a funny experience with us?
No, it's like really funny, so I don't want to share about this. See, I was flirting with a guy because he's like really cute and he got in love, he fallen in love with me. So from that time I'm like, no, now I'm not gonna flirt with people. So it's like, you can't hurt anybody's emotion. So from that time I'm like really aware of it.
Were you in love with him?
No, I was not in love. I'm telling you, I was like flirting, but he fallen in love with me.
Which kind of marriage do you prefer?
I can love marriage, arranged marriage. I don't really find a difference. I can get a arranged marriage done and then I can fall in love with the guy. So it's like that.
If given a chance, will you do special songs?
Okay, for the actors who already established in the industry, if they are doing it, it's like really good for them. But for the newcomers, if you're starting with the item songs, I don't think so that's the right way to start with. It must be good, but for the established ones who are like already on the top league. So people don't call it like it's a special song or something. And it's like, oh, this actress did that. If a newcomer does that, so I think it gives a negative impact.
Traditional or trendy clothes?
I think both are good for an actor. If you are an actor, you should go with the traditional as well as the glamours. Both. I won't say. It depends on directors, what he see in me. So it's like that.
What would you like to tell our viewers finally?
I really love South Indian industry because, people are very humble. They're very sweet. So I'm really looking forward to work in South movies. And I just love the culture, South Indian culture. I'm really fascinated about it. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi India Glitz viewers.
For all the latest movie review,
Interviews.
Latest updates. Subscribe.
Subscribe IG Telugu.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.
Please follow IG Telugu.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.